Flash sales don't fail because offers are too bad. They fail because the message reaches people too late. Emails get ignored, social posts get missed. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can turn WhatsApp into a flash sale machine where time-sensitive offers are delivered instantly to customers who already trust your brand. In this video, I am building a WhatsApp broadcast system using Pabbly Chatflow that sends urgent flash sale messages and exclusive leads without sounding spammy. Let's focus on my screen. There I will show you the WhatsApp broadcast that I have already sent, and then we will learn the process of how you can also create such amazing broadcast for your business. Inside my WhatsApp account, you can see I have already created and sent this WhatsApp message broadcast to my customer, and you can see this is the broadcast that I have created to announce about this Republic Day mega sale. I have sent this message: celebrate the spirit of India with exclusive savings this Republic Day. Freedom Card Store brings you a flat 30% off on selected products for 24 hours only. Date 26th of January and set 11:59 p.m. Don't miss the limited time Republic Day offer. Shop now before it ends. And here just below this message, I have also added the link of my website so that my customer can directly buy from my website by clicking on this link. Just like this, you will also be able to send amazing broadcast to bulk of your customer at once without getting blocked from WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. This was the demo. Now we will learn how to schedule this broadcast inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, at first I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. We have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chat. This will get us directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the right corner we have these two different buttons: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, press this button, sign up free, to create your free account. Here you will get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these 100 free credits, you can easily explore our application. But if you want to create such amazing broadcast, AI agents and WhatsApp chatbot inside Pabbly Chatflow account, and that too without worrying about credits, then you should buy the yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly, where you don't have to worry about credits anymore. And if you are worried about pricing, then for you I have added a coupon code in the description box, with the help of which you can get exciting discount while buying this subscription. So go and grab this offer. But if you have already grabbed this offer, you are already a Pabbly member, then we have to press this sign in button to get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. From here, to create our broadcast, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow. So click on this access now button to get directed inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside the dashboard, the first thing that you have to do to use this Pabbly Chatflow is to add your WhatsApp number. To do that, you have to press this button, select any of these two different methods to successfully add your WhatsApp number. On the left side, Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any doubt while adding your WhatsApp number, then you can simply take help from the videos that I have added for you in the description box. After adding your WhatsApp number, you just have to click on this broadcast given on the left side here to start creating your broadcast. So I will click on this, and in here, first of all, I will show you what all things are needed to schedule our broadcast. To start creating our broadcast, we have to press this add broadcast button. To successfully send a broadcast, we just need two simple things. At first, we need a contact list to which we want to send our broadcast, and second, we need a template message, which is a pre-approved message that I have shown you here. You can see this is the pre-approved message. We have to get it approved by Meta to send it to our customers with this broadcast. So I will show you how you can create a contact list and how you can create a template for yourself. To create a contact list, you have to go inside this contacts. In here, you have to add your contacts. To add your contacts, you can click on this add contact button, and you can either add your contacts one by one by this method, or if you want to upload contacts in bulk, click on this button, and here you can upload a CSV file which you can easily create inside your Google Sheet. The size limit of your CSV file should be less than 50 MB, and at once inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can upload a maximum of 2 lakh contacts. So you have to add your contact in here like this, and then to create a list out of all these contacts, you just have to click on this plus button, and here you have to give a name to your list, add tag, select the status and incoming status, and then you just have to scroll down to click on this add button. Your contact list will get created successfully. Now let us learn how to create a template. For that, you have to go inside this template and select this template list. Inside this template list, you can see these are all the templates that I have created for myself. To add a new template, you just have to press this add template button. In here, at first you have to select the category of your template. You can select among these three different categories: marketing, utility, or authentication. If you want to promote anything, you can select this marketing. If you want to notify your customer about anything, then you can select this utility. But if you want to send coupon codes or if you want to send OTPs, then you can select this authentication. At this time, I will select this marketing. Next, we have to give a name to our template. So let us give a name as this test. For this language, you can select any language as per your preference. Here I will select this English as my language. For this template type, we can select a type of our template from these multiple types of image, video, document, location, etc. For this template type, I will select it as text. After selecting your template type, you have to add the header of your template. So let's suppose I will add the header as hello. You can see this is how my header will look, and this is the template format. In here, we have to enter the main part of our template which I want to send to my customer. So let me just copy this text from here, and then I will paste this exact same text inside my broadcast of template format. So I will paste it. This is how my template format will look to my customer when I will successfully create this template. Next, for this footer, if I want, I can add any footer. Like here, I have typed down this footer. You can see this is how our footer will look to our customers. For these interactive actions, we have got these four different options: none, call to actions, quick replies, and all. If I want to select this call to action, I have to select this. Here I can add the link of my website. You can see this is how the link that I have created here. This is the exact same way that I have created this link. I have to paste the link of my website here, and in here I can add this text like shop now or anything else if I want. In here I can also add the phone number if I want my customer to call me. For this quick reply, we have to select this, and in here we can add any quick replies button like this interested, so that our customer can click on this button to notify that they are interested in our offer. After selecting any of these interactive actions, if you want, then you just have to press this submit button to submit this template for approval by Meta. Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to approve your template, and once your template is approved, you can easily use this template to send messages to your customers inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So I have also demonstrated how to create a template. Now let us schedule a broadcast. I'll again press this add broadcast button. In here, for this broadcast type, we have to select this broadcast campaign. Then we have to give a name to our broadcast. I will name this broadcast as this is a test broadcast. For this contact list, you can see this is the drop down from where I can select the contact list to which I want to send this particular template. I will select this contact list, but if you want to send this template to all of your contacts at once, then you just have to search for this all contacts, and then you can simply select this all contact list directly. After this, we have to select our template message. Here we have got these two different options: pre-approved template message and regular message. If I will go with this pre-approved template message, here I have to select the template that I have already created and got it approved by Meta. If I will select this regular message, then here I can directly enter the message which I want to send to my customer, and here I am not required to get this message approved by Meta to send it to my customer. But there is a condition with this regular message, that I can send this regular message to only those customers who were active with me for the past 24 hours. That's why we will go with this pre-approved template message, and here we will select our template message that I have created for myself. To select my template, I have to click on the select WhatsApp template button, and this is the template Republic Day flash sale that I have created for myself to send to my customer. So I will select this template, and inside this template I have created this one dynamic field, this 30% off, so that I can easily change the discount percent. I am not required to create this template again and again if I want to change the discount percent. Inside this discount percent, let us enter this 50% as the percent of discount which I want to send to my customer, and next we will click on this done button. Here our template is also selected. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, we can also test if this broadcast that we are going to send to our customer will look good or not. To test this particular broadcast, in here we have to enter the name of our customer, and then we have to enter here their phone number. I will enter here my own phone number, and then I will send this test message. I have successfully sent this broadcast to my number. Now I will open my WhatsApp chat, and in here you can see this is the new test broadcast that I have successfully received with this flat 50% off discount. You can see this broadcast looks all fine. Now this means that I just have to schedule this broadcast for now. If I want to schedule it, I can schedule it for later also, or if I want, I can also send this instantly. If I want to send it instantly, I'll select this no, and I'll directly press this add broadcast button. But if I want to schedule this for later, I have to select this yes schedule for later. From this calendar, I can select the date and time. I will select the date as 25th of January and time as this 4 p.m. So here I have selected the date and time. Now to schedule this broadcast for this particular date and time, I just have to press this add broadcast button. Then you will see that instantly on this particular date and time, my broadcast will get sent to all the contacts that I have added inside my contact list. Here you can see this is the broadcast which is scheduled successfully on this particular date. After my broadcast is sent successfully to my customer, I can also click on this view stats button to check the stats of this broadcast. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can schedule a broadcast to send messages to bulk of your customers at once with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it till end. If you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up. You can do one more thing. If you want to seamlessly create such amazing broadcast and chatbot inside your Pabbly Chatflow account for your business without worrying about credits, then you can simply buy the yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly with my coupon code that I have added in the description box, where you will get exciting discount on our prices. So go and grab this offer right now. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.